Hello people, so we will be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 165 to defuse the bomb, and in this we have a bomb to defuse and our timer is running out, and your informer, basically our informer, will provide us with a circular array code of length n and a key k, and to decrypt the code we must replace all the numbers are replaced simultaneously. If k is greater than 0, we have to replace the ith number with the sum of next k numbers. If k is less than 0, we have to replace the ith number with the sum of previous k numbers. And if k is equal to 0, we have to replace the ith number with 0. And as code is circular, the next element of code n minus 1 is code 0, and the previous element of code 0 is code n minus 1. And we'll be given the circular array code and an integer k, and we have to return the decrypted code to defuse the bomb. For example, in this we are given code as 5714 and key is basically positive, so which is 3. So we have to, for this we have to sum the next three numbers for this, that is 714, which sums to 12. Then for this 7 we have to pick up 1 4 and 5, this will become 10. And for this one we have to pick up 4 5 and 7, so there will become 16. And for this 4 will be having 5 7 and 1, so that will sum up to 13. And this is what we have to do. Okay, so firstly we'll be checking that if k is equal to 0, we won't find any answer, so we'll be returning a new integer array of size code dot length, and then let's have our answer, so which is also equal to new int of size code dot length. And then let's have a variable with window sum, which is essentially 0. And then we'll be checking that if we'll be having int start, not if that will be equal to, if k is greater than 0, then we'll have to traverse from starting, that is first index, and our window will be from n plus k, and otherwise it will be from n plus k. And then n will be equal to if k is greater than 0, yeah, and if k is less than 0, again here also, if k is greater than 0, then our window will be of size k, then the end of our window will be of size k, and otherwise it will be n minus 1. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be updating my basically window sum. So if int I equal to start, I less than or equal to end I plus plus, and then I'll be updating my window sum plus equal to the code array, code of I mod let's have n as well, of int n, that is equal to code dot length I mod n. Then for int I equal to 0, I less than n I plus plus, my answer of I will be equal to window sum. And then from the window sum I'll be decrementing the start or the end based on that, so that will be equal to code of okay, start plus I mod in, and I'll be adding it to in wsum I'll be adding code of end plus I plus 1 mod n, mod n, and this will be our answer, and I'll be returning answer. So now let's give it a run, and now let's submit it, and works perfectly, and that marks 500 days my LeetCode challenge as well. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.